My name is Ray Martin. I'm Director of Maintenance of Way for the MBTA. Maintenance of Way is responsible for maintaining approximately 200 miles of track within the MBTA, several hundred track switches, as well as the property that the tracks sit on. And that includes the revenue track, which is track that a passenger rides on, versus yard track, which is where trains are stored or where they operate without passengers. On a normal week, Maintenance of Way has roughly between 1 and 5 a.m. to perform maintenance work on the tracks. Once power is de-energized, our crews can access the tracks with equipment, material, staff in order to make repairs to the track. Generally, they have approximately 2 hours to 2.5 hours of actual working time on the tracks, whether it be to change rail, ties, maintain switches. We have to leave plenty of time to clear the tracks so the power can be re-energized and trains can start on time. When we have the availability, we'll conduct work on weekends using either a diversion, which is a track shutdown where we run buses and conduct larger scale track replacement work, heavier maintenance that requires more than a 3-hour work window to complete. On the weekend diversions, we're able to replace upwards of 1,000 feet of track in a weekend versus being able to maintain 50 feet or so, 100 feet during a non-revenue overnight work window. A big part of what Maintenance of Way does is we do track inspections on a regular basis. Every 2 to 3 days, the entire system is walked from end to end with any deficiencies in the track documented through an electronic system that reports to the supervisory staff who respond based on the severity of the deficiency that's found, whether it be to restrict the speed of the track, order immediate repairs, or schedule repairs to be made in the future. Many people don't realize the work that Maintenance of Way does because we're generally behind the scenes. We're working mainly at night, but we also have day shifts. We have 300 personnel who are on the tracks or in the office or in the shops trying to make sure that the track is as safe as possible so that the trains can run at the intended speed. We are always trying to come up with new ways to staff and to support projects so that we're getting our maintenance done without disruption to the public, whether it be by having to slow down trains or shut down service so that we can repair the tracks. Maintenance of Way Department has our own on-campus rail shop. The rail shop is responsible for maintaining an inventory of replacement parts, supplies and materials that we need, tools, in order to conduct our work. They also have a series of machines that are capable of pre-curving rail in order to meet the sharp curvature that we have on the MBTA. The MBTA has some very sharp curves, such as the Boylston curve, where the rail is pre-curved in the rail shop and sent out to the job site for easier and safer installation in the field. One of the machines we have is over 100 years old. It still works and it's used to curve the rail as sharp as a 50-foot radius. At the MBTA, we perform all of the work soup to nuts. We do our own design work, we procure our own materials, do the work, we inspect the work. And that's what I like about this department is that we're hands-on. We're right there in the middle of it. We do it all here. We have a lot of responsibility, but we also there's a lot of reward in seeing our work come to fruition with a better product, better track, and safer system.